Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Voger wireless security camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $80. Check out the link in the description. The camera has a rechargeable battery. Charging time is about 8 hours and the battery lasts up to 6 months. The camera comes with different mounting options. If you insert a micro SD card, you can watch video recordings with the CloudBoom app. Setting up the camera and connecting the camera with your Wi-Fi network is very easy. You just have to download the CloudBoom app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the instructions. The app is very easy to use and shows you how much power the rechargeable battery has left. I tested the camera for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. Thanks to the rechargeable battery, you don't need a power outlet and you can use the camera wherever you need it. The picture quality during the day and during the night is pretty good and two-way audio works without any issues. So if you are looking for an outdoor security camera with a rechargeable battery, motion detection and two-way audio, I would recommend the Voger wireless security camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.